Welcome to Spandy Way. In this video, we will see how to cook curry leaves flavored prawns fry. Prawns are a healthy type of seafood and known for being low in fat and a good source of healthy omega-3 fatty acid. We will see this dish in 3 steps. Step 1. Marination. Take a bowl, add prawns, ginger garlic paste, refined flour, salt, chili powder, turmeric and lemon juice. Mix them well and let it marinate for 4 hours. Step 2. Curry leaves powder. Take a pan, heat oil and add all spices. Fry until you get nice aroma. Add dry chilies and saute. Now add coriander leaves and curry leaf. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. Take a blender, add the mixture, salt and lemon juice. Blend it to a powder. Step 3. Fry and coat. Take a pan for deep frying the prawns and heat the oil. Add the prawns one by one and fry it for a minute. Add the fried prawns into the curry leaves powder and coat them well. Transfer the dish to a serving bowl and enjoy. Curry leaves flavored prawns fry is best served with mayonnaise. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, comment and share. Also subscribe to Spandy Way for more videos.